challenge was this one. Okay, challenge was fetching the data from database, rather taking query parameters from Postman and then fetching data according to that. So it is parameterized SQL, and then you have to generate the XML, which is DB to XML. Okay, so that's what we were doing.
Okay. This is correct. Is this correct?
Select star from employee where AMP ID is greater than EMP limit and salary is less than salary limit. And then below you do have EMP ID and message dot attributes dot query spelling of query attributes dot query, the spelling got damaged.
Oh,
QUERY.
oh my God. Okay.
Mm, looks
So
fine.
the last one is comma, right? The first time.
Yes, because you do have you put opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket?
Yeah.
Yes, you put that. EMP limit, perfect. That's perfect. And you are in Postman, you are sending EMP limit, salary limit only, right?
Yeah. Let me save this one and stop it. Run it. So the postman is that, right?
Hmm.
Let me finish it. Okay. Okay. I'm going to run it. Yes. This time
Perfect,
I got it.
right?
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, that's just a matter of spelling mistake. If you carefully look at that, and that's obvious because you type it manually, so there is a high chance that there can be spelling mistake, but through practice, it is taken care. Thank you. Most
It's not a
welcome.
mistake. It take more than half
Yeah,
an
yeah,
hour.
that happens, and trust me, your major problem does not take much time whenever you sort out that in case query is wrong or something. But these problems which even Anypoint Studio is not telling you that there is a spelling mistake kind of perfect error, it just don't give the output, because it try to put some junk value in that and try to get out of that. So most of the time you don't get even the compilation error, that something is wrong in the syntax. That's the pain. So there is a principle RFT, RFT, right first time. So you have to be utmost careful whenever you type first time. But again, that's a matter of practice, and this is a learning process. You have to go through that. Then only you have the breakthrough. That's how it happens. That's fine.